Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, today we're going to be doing a comparison between Luma AI and OpenAI Sora. So let's get started. You want to see the ultimate AI video showdown. It's going to be like the ultimate AI video showdown in 2025. Yes. Now, we know that creating high quality videos can be time consuming, expensive, and require specialized skills. Because traditional video editing software often has a steep learning curve and hiring professionals can quickly drain your budget. But that's where Luma AI's Dream Machine and OpenAI Sora, two AI powerful video generators that promise to simplify and democratize video creation. So these platforms offer a range of features and capabilities that can transform your ideas into stunning visuals with minimum effort. So getting started with Luma AI. This is Luma AI. It helps you to create videos from text. You create realistic and imaginative videos from text instruction. It's available on iOS and coming soon to Android. You can see it here. Now it gives you 3 ways to create infinite possibilities. You can type a question, as you can see. You can use text to video. To create dynamic scenes from your text instructions, you can use image to video. Transform your photos, paintings, and drawings into immersive moving scenes like this. And the last one is video to video, where you revitalize existing videos by modifying the font or changing styles. This is coming soon. Now, these are the frequently asked questions. You can go through them to get the answers you need. So you can download for free. And if you need more information, you can contact and get everything you need from them. Now, this Luma AI is not related to the Dream Machine by Luma Labs, but we're looking for the Dream Machine, so you can try this one, but you can also try the Luma Dream Machine. This is what I want us to try out right now. This is the Luma Dream Machine, which is the one we're going to try. I want to introduce the first one to you before we get here. Now, the Luma Dream Machine, what does it do? Now, it is there to help you transform your photos and videos into immersive 3D experiences. Yes, if you dive into the world of Luma AI, you unlock the power of AI. Because the site can't be reached for whatever reason. So while we're waiting for that, let's go to Sora. Now, what does Sora do? OpenAI Sora. I don't think this is the one we're looking for. I don't know what's going on today. Keep giving me the wrong one. Let's try it again. OpenAI Sora. Alright, I think we found it. Here we go. Okay, if you want to be on the forefront of AI video generation, join the waitlist for Sora AI and experience the next generation of creative tools. You can replace, remove, or reimagine elements in your video with remix. For example, it's an example. You can record, find and isolate the best frames, extending them in either direction to complete a scene. You can see what I mean by that here. You can organize and edit unique sequence of your videos on a personal timeline. And then trim down and create seamless repeating videos with loop. Based on text prompts, the quality is also impressive, often resembling professionally produced content. However, Sora can sometimes struggle with complex scenes or detailed object rendering. Now, when we compare the customization options, we find that Luma AI offers limited customization options, mainly focused on adjusting the depth and field of view of 3D scenes. While the simplicity can be both a pro and a con depending on what your needs are. While for Sora AI provides extensive customization, allowing you to refine your text prompts, choose from various visual styles, and adjust parameters like camera angles and lighting. This flexibility gives you more control over the final output. They compared their ease of use and realized that Luma AI is extremely user-friendly with a straightforward interface that requires no prior experience with 3D modeling or editing. While Sora AI is also relatively easy to use with the main input being text prompt, however, mastering prompt engineering takes time and practice to achieve desired results. Now, when we check their supported formats, we realize that Luma AI supports various images and video formats, including JPG, PNG, MP4, and MOV. While Sora AI currently supports text prompts as the primary input format, however, they're exploring the possibility of adding image to function, image to video functionality. They've already added that, it's video to video, and they're trying to add right now actually. They've added the let's open up that part. Sorry about that. Seems to be fine records. They've added a lot already. Okay, features. Because okay, they haven't actually added that. I thought they had. Sorry about that. So Sora currently supports only prompts, only text prompts for now. They are still working on the video to video option. Then when it comes to the output length, Luma AI, the output is generally short, focusing on creating immersive 3D scenes from existing media, while Sora AI can generate videos of varying length depending on your prompt and your settings. When it comes to creative control, Luma AI offers limited creative control, while Sora provides extensive creative control. When it comes to target audience, Luma AI is ideal for individuals and businesses looking to create immersive 3D experiences from existing photos and videos, while Sora AI is suitable for content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to generate original videos quickly and easily. Now, these are things you need to consider when you want to choose an AI video generator. Your primary use case, you need to consider that. The budget, the skill level, the output customization, integration with the existing workflow, community and support, and lastly, future potential. So in the ever-evolving landscape of AI-powered video generation, both Luma AI and Sora AI offer unique strengths. However, if we had to choose one platform to recommend, I would recommend Luma AI's Dream Machine. While it is still in its better stage, Luma's Dream Machine stands out with an impressive ability to create high-quality 3D scenes from existing media. Its user-friendly interface and accessible pricing model also makes it a great entry point for those venturing into the world of AI-powered tools. As experts in generative AI space, we rigorously tested into both AI models, and based on our experience, we believe that Luma's Labs Dream Machine currently offers a more polished and practical solution for most users, particularly those that are looking to enhance their existing photos and videos. While Sora AI holds immense potential in the video tools realm, its closed beta status and unclear pricing makes it less accessible at present.